Ever wish you could fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling like a Zen master? The secret might be as simple as putting on your headphones. Let's talk about the magic of binaural beats. Binaural beats are an audio illusion. When you listen to two slightly different frequencies in each ear, say 200 Hz in one ear and 210 Hz in the other, your brain hears the difference. In this case, a 10 Hz beat. That 10 Hz beat doesn't actually exist, your brain creates it. And depending on the frequency, this can shift your mental state. Different brainwave frequencies are linked to different states of consciousness. For deep sleep, we're talking about delta waves, low frequencies between 0.5 to 4 Hz. Listening to binaural beats in this range can nudge your brain toward producing more delta waves, helping you reach deeper, more restorative stages of sleep faster. And it's not just pseudoscience. EEG studies show actual changes in brainwave patterns with regular use of binaural audio. Here's what people and researchers are noticing: faster time to fall asleep, longer periods of deep sleep, reduced nighttime awakenings, improved mood and focus the next day, lower levels of stress and cortisol. Some even report lucid dreaming or reduced insomnia symptoms after just a few nights. Using binaural beats is super easy. Wear stereo headphones. That part is crucial. Choose a delta wave track. Around 1 to 4 Hz is best for sleep. Play it 30 minutes before bed or while you're falling asleep. Bonus tip: combine the beats with relaxing rain sounds, white noise, or calming music to boost the effect. Yes, they're safe for most people, but if you have epilepsy or are prone to seizures, talk to a doctor first. Otherwise, binaural beats are a drug-free, screen-free, and habit-forming free way to get better rest. Perfect for people who want a natural sleep boost. So next time you can't sleep, skip the melatonin and try a pair of headphones. Binaural beats might be your brain's favorite bedtime lullaby. Want to try them for free? Check out our guided sleep mix linked below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your experience. Sleep well, dream big.